Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Have you ever been to Friendly's restaurant? I used to go there all the time when I was younger. I love their supermelts, especially their Turkey Club Supermelt. Somehow they blended the flavors together nicely to the point that I just enjoyed them from the start to the end. And then I thought to myself, why can't I make a Turkey Club Supermelt at home? So, guess what? I made a Turkey Club Supermelt. Want to see how I made my Turkey Club Supermelt? Follow me along on this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Oh yeah, not exactly Friendly's, but I'll tell you what, pretty good. You ought to try it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.